This pretrial hearing today aiming to settle a number of disputes from each side heading into next week's trial, one Quick's father says he's been waiting for. For the first time, our camera is allowed inside the courtroom in the case of the suspected getaway driver charged with murder in the death of Caleb Quick. In Thursday's pretrial hearing, starting with a question about Crime Stoppers tips not provided to the defense in discovery. They argue there were up to hundreds of tips coming in from the shooting they don't have access to. They even claim they are being withheld by the prosecution. A Crime Stoppers representative says those tips go right to Fresno police before being dispersed to local law enforcement. And the prosecution arguing they don't even have them.
I don't have any of this information either, Judge, so I know counsel made a reference that you have everything from Crime Stoppers. The DA did not have any of this information at all as well. So that's why I'm kind of a third party as it relates to this. A appropriate representative from the city may have to take up this issue if it's properly noticed and filed.
Judge Brian Alvarez deciding to set aside the discovery motion for now. The prosecution, meanwhile, also asking to limit cross-examination that could result in additional details about Quick's alleged sexual assault used as a motive in this case. They argued it would be unnecessary and inflammatory, but the defense firing back.
He plans on having witnesses testify to conversations that happened at McDonald's immediately before the shooting. And in those conversations, they're discussing the allegations of that particular sexual assault. So it's kind of like he's requesting that he's allowed to use it, but that we're not.
The judge opting not to make a ruling there, saying it's up to the attorneys to make objections throughout the trial. Caleb's father, Stephen, disappointed after the suspect's trial wasn't transferred to adult court, says he's bracing for another long set of proceedings.
I kind of know what the outcome is going to be going forward, but we're just going to have to sit through it and listen to witness testimony. But yeah, I just pray that we'll get some justice out of this.
And this trial is set to kick off Monday morning at 9 a.m. We'll be here for the latest, but for now, reporting here in Fresno, Ben Morris, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.